across our episode on the cooking channel. So if you got a cooking channel, tune in right now. We got 5 people, 7 people going live. If you're just checking in, this is a lifelong dream of ours. This is when we was on the cooking channel. And I guess 2 years ago, August 4th, is when it first aired. Lifelong dream of ours to be on the cooking channel. It's on right now. If you have the cooking channel, you can tune in live. But if you don't have it, at least you can just watch here with me. I'm actually off today, chilling at the crib while my son is holding it down at the shop. And I'm flipping through the channels. And I'm like, yo, snap, that look like my pizza. That's my brother-in-law. That's me without my beard. So. I lost a lot of weight since then too. I was about 50 pounds heavier then. I was up to 300 pounds, down to 250 now.
First got an oil pan. Leslie has it. It comes from a guy that worked in the plants up in Michigan and Motor City.
That's true.
And they used to keep the
He opened a spot called Buddies.
Supposedly, they just started taking them home, started making pieces on the side, and it turned into a place.
Detroit Pizza only been around for about 10, 15 years.
So the yeast makes it nice and airy.
A little more out of the way, and we go with our tops.
Jeremiah. My nickname is Jay. More people call me Jay than Jeremiah, but my whole name is Jeremiah.
We're going to go with our blend of
My
Parmesan
government name, as they say.
and asado on both sides. A little bit of cheddar, not very much. It kind of adds a little color, and it adds that extra thing that people really can't figure out what it is. This is our mozzarella and provolone mix.
It's on right now live if you want to check it out on YouTube or DVR.
We're talking about Detroit of a brownie. You get that brownie eggs, and it gets all that intense flavor in that corner. You get the bird cheese, but it's not burnt. It intensifies all the flavors of pizza in one bite.
Finally, the chicken chunks. Lots of them.
We ain't cooking around here.
Before long, it's out of the oven and under the knife.
That was a funny joke.
You hear that sizzle? Yeah. Sounds so good.
Good.
You can't
Why
tell
they
me.
gonna put the porno music on real quick?
I believe
Oh, they hit it up with the porno music. Oh, look at that drip. And we got shrimp Alfredo coming next month. We're finishing up the final touches on it. The shrimp Alfredo is coming. We're gonna bring a jerk chicken to the menu. We're gonna start cutting our slices bigger. We got some changes coming. My brother G and his beautiful wife, cool couple. That young lady that was sitting behind them, she been rocking with us since back in the day. These folks, this young lady actually did her wife's makeup that day. Her mother on the right, she been rolling with us for a minute, showing us love.
Ooh, it smells good too. You smell that barbecue aroma?
Detroit,
Really pops in your mouth.
have chicken Alfredo, have barbecue chicken. That guy in the red shirt, that's Jonathan. My man Jamie was just sitting down with his beautiful wife. These folks blessed us with this. They're all stars. I believe it was Jackson, it was Victor Jackson. That was the dopest thing ever. So he didn't tell us he was going to do that neither. He was kind enough to bring his whole family down. He's been rocking with us for years. I believe he just got engaged too to his fiance. A special shout out to them. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.